Okay, so we're back at another accommodation site now. We are located in Host The Metalworks, and this is one of our partner accommodation sites that we currently have. We work with multiple accommodation providers because unfortunately we don't have all of the rooms in the university-owned accommodation to cater for all of the undergraduate students coming to the university. So we used accommodation providers like Host The Metalworks to house many of our first-year undergraduate students. All of the partner accommodation is available when you apply as well, so you can include any of those on your preferences that we ask for on the online application. Again, as I stated in the last Facebook Live, you can just apply via the University of Birmingham website and the apply online link that's underneath the accommodation. And as I said before, you'll just need your student ID number and a PIN that will be created for you. So we're in one of the rooms in Host The Metalworks. We'll just show you around a little bit. Just so that you can see what the rooms have on offer. So as you can see, it's a 3/4 bed in one of the rooms in Host The Metalworks. Lots of desk space, lots of storage space, nice modern airy rooms, and then we can go and have a look at the kitchen as well in Host The Metalworks. Also, the rooms in here are all ensuite rooms. I don't know where the light is. Is it around there? So all of the rooms are en suites. So as you can see, you've just got your standard, your shower, and all your washing facilities as well. So that's important to note whether you'd be wanting an ensuite bathroom or a shared bathroom. So we'll go out into the kitchen now to show you a little bit more. So there's 5 people sharing the kitchen facilities in Host The Metalworks, and then we can see the kitchen facilities. So as you can see, you've got a lot of space with the living area there, and then the kitchen as well. Lots on offer. Big fridge, freezer, lots of cupboard space for sharing. Obviously, the partner accommodation is all self-catered. It doesn't fall underneath the catered accommodation that we have within the university. But as you can see, there's plenty of space and utensils and equipment available for you to be self-catered. So as I said, with the partner accommodation, do make sure that if you are on the accommodation open day to day, that you do go and see all of the sites available. We do ask you to put 6 preferences, and we can't always guarantee it will be your first choice. So do make sure you view a wide range of accommodation. Have a look at the type that you want, whether that would be, as I said before, an ensuite or a shared bathroom, or whether you'd be wanting a self-catered facility or a catered facility. So we do encourage that you go and view as many of the accommodation sites today, whether that be the university owned on one of our 3 villages, or the partner sites in the form of Host The Metalworks, or any of the Liberty Living sites that we have as well as Selly Oak Court. Please do just make sure you can view as many as possible to ensure that you are aware of what is on offer. So once again, if you can't make the accommodation open day to day, we have got further information on our website about all of our partner sites and pictures of the rooms that that the partner sites offer. What is important to mention is with the partner sites, you would still be able to access the same facilities as you would in university-owned accommodation, that being in the form of the student mentor scheme. So the student mentor scheme exists for first-year students living in accommodation who may be having any troubles from moving away from home for the first time, any budgeting worries, any flatmate worries. That scheme is there for you in university accommodation or in partner accommodation. So do just be reminded that you would be able to access the same facilities in the form of the student mentor scheme. So again, if you've got any further questions, please do feel free to leave them in the comments below, or access us via our social media channels on Twitter or Facebook, as well as drop in an email if you have any further questions after you've viewed any of the accommodation.